Hi there, welcome back to TLW the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. Today we're going to look at a very commonly used element of English language which the grammar teachers will call the present continuous or the present progressive. In fact, it's so common that people make mistakes with this. They use it in the wrong places as well. So we're going to learn where to use these things, why to use them, how to use them, how not to use them as well. With this video, as with all the other videos in the basic videos playlist, basic English playlist, the aim is for you to go from your current level to the next higher level, to the intermediate level. You move from here to there. How to make sure that you do move from here to there. Watch this video. When you come to the examples, repeat those examples. Pause the video, repeat them once, twice, thrice, as long as it takes for you to get that here, and it should stay there. Then, after watching the video completely, apply what you have learned in this video to your real world situation, your immediate surroundings, your work environment. You've got to watch all the videos in this basic English playlist to move to the next level. So to make sure you get those videos, subscribe to our channel and press the notification icon, the bell icon. So, what is present continuous? See, when you look around you, you find some actions. Wow. Here, the computers are running. Children are playing outside. The fan is not running. It's still winter, you can see the sweater. The carpenter is working downstairs. My man is sleeping. My son is studying. My wife is doing some work or some school work. Things are happening right now. They are happening. In other words, they started some time previously and they will end sometime later. So on this timeline, right now, it's happening. Right? So this is where you use that. One of the uses of the present continuous. It is happening now. Another word for now is at this moment. That's a chunk. So what's happening at this moment is what you say using the present continuous. So, question, what are you doing? I'm chatting with you. What are they doing? They are playing badminton. What's your man doing? He is sleeping. What's the carpenter doing? He is repairing some furniture. What's my son doing? He's attending online classes. So note the structure. What is my son doing? So is doing, ing. Is called a be verb. What's a be verb? Is, am, are, was, were, will be. These 6 be verbs. They talk about the state of affairs. So, I call them the state auxiliary verb, if you like it. That's my term. Right. So, another point over here is, if you want to know generally, then you say, what's happening? So what's happening in your house? The carpenter is working, my son is studying, my wife is doing some schoolwork, my grandfather is sleeping. What's happening around you? What's happening in Green Park? The shopkeepers are sitting, waiting for the customers. Customers are walking in and being served. What's happening in the restaurant? What's happening in the hospital? What's happening in your house? Let us know. What is happening at this moment? That's all about this. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comments below. I'll surely answer them. And over the next few videos, we'll look at some other uses also of present continuous. We'll see you then. Don't forget to practice what you learned in this video. If you haven't understood it completely, go back, play it again. Listen to it till you are fine with it, till you're comfortable with it, till you're confident with the use of this present continuous. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.